Welcome back, everybody. On this Wednesday, it's time to know the law. Rachel Pappy, partner and vice president of Polston Tax, here to keep us in the know when it comes to taxes. And we're going to talk about the 2017 Voluntary Disclosure Initiative. All right, the name's pretty fancy, but what does it really mean?
So this is actually not the first time that the Oklahoma Tax Commission has done a voluntary disclosure program, but this is the 2017 program that Mary Fallon signed in May of this year.
Okay.
And it lets taxpayers have amnesty on their penalties and interest. So it is the Oklahoma Tax Commission saying it will save us energy, money, and resources if taxpayers would just voluntarily disclose that they owe us money, and if they do so and are eligible for this program, we'll waive penalties, interest, and fees that they may owe us, which can be thousands of dollars.
I was going to say, this is a big deal. This can save people thousands of dollars.
Mm-hmm.
How aware are people of this?
You know, I feel like with all these programs that the IRS rolls out and the Oklahoma Tax Commission, they don't have a lot of maybe money to advertise it per se.
Right, yeah.
And so I definitely wanted to help taxpayers, and that's not a knock on anything.
No, they've got a lot to worry about right
exactly.
now. Yeah,
I want to help taxpayers know this program's available. Contact our firm, contact a tax attorney, get yourself enrolled. It's a short window on when they can apply. It's only going to be from September 1st till November 30th.
Okay, that was my next question.
Yeah.
I know that
it's only a few months that this program's even available. And in the past, when the Oklahoma Tax Commission has rolled out voluntary disclosure programs like this, we've had taxpayers say, oh, well, it ends in November, so I'll take my time. There's actually paperwork you have to get submitted, such as filing your delinquent tax returns and getting yourself enrolled to qualify.
Okay.
And so the last thing you want to do is wait till the last minute. It's August right now. The program opens in September. I would encourage taxpayers to contact our office now.
Like right now.
Yes, we can start calculating what you'll need to put as a down payment to the Oklahoma Tax Commission, so you have some time to save and get enrolled in the program faster for the most efficient process than delaying it and waiting till November.
Okay, we zipped through it quickly that you can save thousands of dollars, but really, what are the benefits for people?
Right. So if you owe, this applies to people who owe income tax, mixed beverage tax, payroll tax, sales tax, use tax, petroleum tax, gross production tax, gasoline tax, all sorts of tax. The Oklahoma Tax Commission, if you voluntarily disclose, and the Oklahoma Tax Commission or their third-party collectors haven't contacted you yet, and you voluntarily say, hey, I've got some delinquent returns or I owe some money, and you tell them first, then you can enroll to participate. And if you haven't participated in one of these programs before, you're most likely going to be eligible. But that's why you have to contact a tax attorney, make sure you're eligible, get qualified, get enrolled before that window closes.
Okay, now some people will fit the guidelines, some won't.
Yes.
Right?
Mm-hmm. If you have enrolled in a voluntary disclosure before, this isn't the first one they've done. They've had several over the last decade. If you've been in one before, you probably won't be able to qualify for this one.
Okay.
If you have outstanding taxes that are not going to be included in this program, you're not going to qualify. Or if you have already been contacted by an agent of the Oklahoma Tax Commission, like a third-party collection agency, you're not going to qualify. They want the taxpayers who they don't know about yet, who they aren't coming after yet, to go ahead and get enrolled.
But you're probably the ones that are watching this right now going, what? So, what do you need to do? You need to get involved right now.
Yeah.
Right?
Save money. Call us now.
So you want to call Polston Tax Resolution and Accounting. They have 5 locations in Oklahoma City, Edmond, Norma, Tulsa, Wichita. No excuses for not being able to get a hold of them. Trust me. You can call them 405-801-2146. And yes, they do also assist clients nationwide. There's several ways you can get in contact with them as well. Just look for Polston Tax on all social media. Very easy to find. Their website is polstontax.com. Mitch?